welcome back to Nailmas and welcome to day 13. Believe it or not, I can't believe how close we are to the end. I almost don't want it to end, but also a little break might be nice. I don't know. Anyway, today I am using a new China Glaze polish that I posted in a swatch video today as well, I think. And it is a really pretty polish. It is called Celebri-tree and it is a Christmas tree green that has little bar glitters in it. And usually I don't like a bar glitter polish, but I absolutely love this one. They apply so nicely, they don't hang off the edge of my nail, which I love, and they really kind of give that whole Christmas tree look on the nail, which I really enjoy and feel like it looks really nice on in a Christmas design. So today what we are doing is a dotted candy cane. So instead of trying to figure out how to freehand a candy cane, I am really liking it with dots. It's a little bit more stylized, I guess you could say. But it takes off the stress of having to stay in lines and things like that, so I really like it. So all I am doing is just dotting or alternating dots of red and white in the shape of a candy cane with my smallest dotting tool that I have. But of course, depending on the size of your nail, maybe you want it bigger, maybe you only want one candy cane on your nail, it's totally up to you. Play with it, play with different sizes and see what's working for you. I wanted more candy canes on my nails, so I went with a much kind of smaller dot, but of course you could go bigger. I did use acrylic paint for this, so it did have a flat finish, but if you wanted to kind of level it up and do it with a nail polish, you could have a sparkly candy cane while you were at it. That'd be really fun. I did about one full-size candy cane on every nail, and then I kind of had a few going off the edge or towards the cuticle and kind of just faked those, I didn't have a full candy cane, which makes this design go super quick. Also, you do not have to do this on all of your nails if you do not want to. At the end of the video you will see that I did do it on all, but this would make a super cute accent nail, and you could totally change up the base color. I just really liked that this was a classic Christmas nail combo. Even though classic Christmas colors aren't necessarily my thing, I really did enjoy that for this design. Because you are dotting things, sometimes I feel like dots take a little bit longer to dry, so definitely take a break. Don't put on your top coat right away. Let it dry completely. Then when you do put on your top coat, make sure you float the top coat over your nail so you don't pull any paint down with those dots when you're moving on your top coat. So here is a final look at this design. I'm really happy with how it came out. I feel like it's really fun, it's festive, and it's so much easier than freehanding lines and things, because lines are hard. Let's be honest here. Lines are hard. Lines are tricky, and we don't all have the patience for lines. So that is it for today. I hope you all enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!